Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube video on tips and tricks on Canva. So basically Canva is a designing platform which is used to design something from scratch, or we can use several templates which are available over here. This is used to design any post like Instagram or Facebook post, or also this is used to design any video. So as I'm already logged in, as we can see there is an option for create a design, which gives us various options like we want to create like Instagram post, Facebook, LinkedIn post. These are the various options which are available. It does not fit in the option you want to create, you can search it from here. Like if I search Instagram post, this will give me the search result for all the Instagram posts. I'll just go to this Instagram post square option, and here we can see these are the already inbuilt templates which has already been used. Either we can select any template and we can play around with the illustration, images and text, or we can start something from scratch. So these are the various side options which are available, which we will be using in this video. So I'll select any of the template. These are the most recently used templates which is showing on the top of it. I can select this digital marketing post, and I can show what are the tips and tricks on this template only. So the first tip is grouping. Suppose I want to change the position for these two texts, I can select both the text in one go. Like this is grouped, and if you want to position it, I'll move this text, and this both will go hand in hand. So this was the first tip, which is grouping. You can select any of the multiple text you want to group, and you want to resize it, and you want to select the position around it. You can do that with the grouping option. Now, the second tip on Canva is the option for duplicate, the shortcut key for duplicate. Suppose I want to duplicate this button, I can just go to select this button and click on to Control Z. Now you can see this button has been duplicated, and I can adjust the size accordingly to it. This was the second tip on Canva. Now, the third tip is you can use the element button. Like, suppose I want to add anything in this template. Suppose I search arrow and click on to arrow. This will give me the search result for all the arrow options that are available here. Now there is an option which is called filter. Now I can just go to this filter option, and I can select any of the color based upon the theme which we are using. So I can select orange theme and click on to apply filter. Now this will give me the various search results for this orange color. I can select any of the arrow button, like suppose I have selected this. I can adjust this button. Now I'll just move this text here, and I can adjust this arrow, and this is looking a slight big. Just accordingly, you can see several this lines has been created already, which will help me to adjust this arrow button. So this was the third tip on Canva. And now the fourth tip is you can add any hyperlink to your text. If you are adding any post, you want to hyperlink any text with it, you can just select those text. Like I suppose I have selected the best solution. You can go these three dots over here, and you can use this hyperlink button, and you can add any hyperlink. Suppose I have added www.google.com and click on to enter. Now this has been hyperlinked to. Once this is saved as PDF and click on to this button, this will redirect me to google.com. This was the fourth tip on Canva. Now the last tip for the day is the alignment on the position. Now suppose we want to align this image, I can select this image and click on to position button. There are several options which are available. Now I can click on to middle. Now this image has been centered in, this has been positioned in the middle. I can click on to center. Now you can see this has been positioned in the center. Sometimes when we move the image, this does not fit in properly exactly, so we can use this position button in order to align this image. Like I have selected this button as right and select on to bottom. Now this has been positioned as it was available previously. So this was the tips on tricks on top 5 tips and tricks on Canva. Thank you so much.